Good evening, friends. Yesterday I have discussed few additional concepts and thoughts about IPM. Today, in continuation of my yesterday's video, I would like to elaborate those thoughts in big way. Friends, let's select, choose and integrate the suitable, feasible and affordable concept, technologies and practices or methods from different concepts of farmings like organic farming, integrated farming, zero-based farming, natural farming, protected farming, biodynamic farming, climate smart farming, border farming, commercial farming or medicinal farming, digital farming, and also crop diversification of agriculture towards others, power and energy sectors, and use them for implementation of IPM. Each and every farming system is having its own limitations and problems. To overcome these limitations and problems, different types of farming systems are developed. Presently, different farming systems are having different types of problems, such as in chemical farming, the chemical pesticides and chemical fertilizers are used indiscriminately, which give rise the problems related with the public health, environment, ecosystem, biodiversity, nature and society, depletion of natural resources, farmers' suicide due to non-payment of loans from bank or to money lenders, then high cost of production. These are the few problems associated with the chemical farming. In organic farming, no chemical pesticide or no chemical is used. Even in this farming, even then, this farming is more costly than the chemical farming, because the inputs of organic farming, they are most costlier than the inputs of the chemical farming. Their inputs are very costly. In IPM, which is called as the middle way of plant protection, Madhyam Marg. In IPM, the chemicals are used judiciously, only as an emergency tool or emergency solution. Hence, it is the medium way of farming or medium way of plant protection. Similarly, zero-based farming, natural farming, does not require any inputs other than the cow dung of desi cow. One desi cow can fulfill the demand for 30 acres. The cost of cultivation in this type of farming will be very less or negligible, or there will be no cost of cultivation except this cow dung. So it will be very safe, or there will be no adverse effect on the environment ecosystem, biodiversity, nature and society. Let us select those methods, those practices from all these three types, all types of the farming systems which are feasible, affordable, and integrate them to implement IPM. This is the way, or this is the new concept of IPM implementation, to integrate those methods from all type of the farming systems which does not have any adverse effect on environment, ecosystem, nature and society, and these methods, these technologies and should be used for the implementation of IPM. Thank you very much.